Welcome to Design Pickle 2.0. Here's how I hacked the system to create a 77-page ebook using Design Pickle's service limits. It all started during early morning workouts with Russ, the CEO, who later offered me a marketing role. My first big task: a detailed fitness ebook for our team, but Design Pickle limits requests to 3 to 5 pages each. So, I got creative. Step 1, stay organized. I used Google Docs to outline every chapter, breaking the content into manageable sections. Step 2, break up your content naturally, by chapters or ideas, so each design request fits the page limit. Step 3, set your designer up for success. Provide detailed instructions, style guides, and clear examples to avoid confusion. Step 4, rinse and revise. Use tools like DocHub to streamline feedback and keep the process smooth. Finally, keep calm and communicate. If things don't click with your designer, ask for help or switch designers. It's all about teamwork. Follow these steps, and you can hack your way to a professionally designed ebook without quitting your day job.